Chapter 4. Flowcharting. What is a flowchart? A flowchart is a pictorial or graphical representation of the logical sequence of steps involved in solving a programming problem. A flowchart consists of a standard set of symbols of different shapes, which are connected by arrows. These symbols are used to show a particular process to be performed by the computer. A flowchart is an aid for writing programs. It is independent of any programming language and makes the steps to solve a problem much more clear even for a person who does not know anything about programming. Therefore, it is desirable to draw a flowchart before writing a program. Advantages of flowcharts. Flowcharts are useful for several purposes, such as they are easier to understand at a glance. They help in analyzing and finding a well-defined solution for a programming problem. They help in reviewing and debugging, that is, removing errors from a program. Flowcharting symbols. Flowcharts are drawn using particular symbols. Each symbol has a particular meaning. You need to recognize and remember these symbols in order to make flowcharts accurately. Let us learn about flowcharting symbols. Terminal box. It is used to represent the beginning and end of the program. Input-output box. It is used to represent the steps where the program accepts data from the user or displays output on the screen. Process box. It is used to represent the steps that involve assigning values to variables as well as mathematical operations. Decision box. Decision box is used to compare values or to check a condition. There is only one entry into this box and two possible exits depending upon whether the condition is true or false. Connector. Connector symbol is used to link or connect two steps in a flowchart that involve repeating a process or skipping a number of steps. Each connector used in a flowchart is given a name like A, B, C, etc. A connector connecting the corresponding points in the flowchart have the same name. Flow lines. Flow lines are used to indicate the flow of logic in the program. A flow line going upwards in a flowchart indicates a repeating process. Drawing flowcharts. Example 1. Flowchart for program to add two numbers entered by the user. Starts running the program. Means that the numbers entered by the user during program execution will be saved in the main memory by the name reference NUM1 and NUM2 respectively. Thereafter, the value in NUM1 and NUM2 memory cells will be added and their result will be stored in the cell named sum. Displays the result value in memory cell sum on the screen. stops running the program. Example 2. Flowchart for a program that asks for user's name and address and prints the same. Starts running the program. Means prompts the user to enter name and stores it in a memory cell named N. Prompts the user to enter address and stores it in a memory cell named AD. Displays the name stored in N on screen. Displays the address stored in AD on screen. Stops the program. Example 3. Flowchart for a program to find area of a rectangle. Starts the program. Prompts the user to enter the length and breadth of the rectangle and stores them in memory cells by the name L and B respectively. Multiplies the value in memory cells L and B and stores them in a cell named area. Displays the value of L, B and area on the screen. Stops running the program. Example 4. Flowchart for a program to display the grades according to the percentage obtained by a student in 5 subjects. Prompts the user to enter percentage and stores it in the memory cell named PER. Checks the value of the entered percentage. If it is greater than or equal to 90, then stores A in the memory cell named grade and jumps to the step S. A connector S to connect to the last step of the flowchart. If the entered percentage is not greater than or equal to 90, then checks if it lies between 70 and 90. If so, then stores B in the memory cell grade and jumps to the step S. If the entered percentage does not even lie between 70 and 90, then stores C in the grade cell. Displays the calculated grade according to the entered percentage. Stops running the program. Example 5. Draw a flowchart for a program to print first 10 natural numbers. To print numbers 1 to 10 on the screen, we will use the following logic. Store 1 in a memory cell named CTR. Display the current value of memory cell CTR. If value of CTR is not yet equal to 10, then increase its value by 1 and again display it on the screen. Repeat step 3 until the value of CTR becomes 10. Finally, stop the program. Stop running the program.